I love having this positive affirmation and Mean Girls quote in my bathroom, but we must not have hung it up very well after painting the walls because this happened. But you're in luck because now you get to watch me make a new one, and this one turned out even better. I got a new frame for only $3 at the thrift store. After I cleaned it, I typed out my message, put it in a pretty font, and printed it out. Then I taped the paper to the back of the glass and used this oil-based paint pen to carefully trace the words onto the glass. You could freehand this part if you have nicer handwriting than me. Next, I took the frame outside and gave it a coat of black spray paint. Once that dried, I gave it a few coats of gold spray paint. I think the black coat underneath really makes the details on the frame pop. For inside the frame, I cut out a piece of black poster board the same size as the glass, and then cut out a smaller piece of this blue glitter paper and attached it to the poster board with some small adhesives. To make sure this one wouldn't fall and break, we added a picture hanger onto the back of the frame. And because clearly I cannot be trusted with tools, I got some help from Ashley for this part. Then I put it all together, and here it is. I love how this turned out, and I think it looks perfect in our newly decorated bathroom. The cool thing about this project is that you can write anything you want on the glass and use whatever colors match your style. We actually have another one of these in our other bathroom too. Let me know what you think, and I'd love to see yours if you make your own. And be sure to follow me for more DIYs and colorful home decor.